This is the HP Envy Photo 7275 all-in-one printer series. It has functions like print, scan, copy, and has a dedicated photo tray to print photos. It comes with a built-in Wi-Fi that supports 802.11, ABGN, and AC, and features a dual-band Wi-Fi of 2.4 and 5 GHz. At the back of the printer, it also has one USB 2.0 client. The mobile printing capability, it supports HP app, Apple AirPrint, Chrome OS, Moprea print service. It is Moprea certified, and HP print service plugin for Android printing. It has a 2.7-inch color touch screen. It comes with a flatbed scanner that is able to scan up to 216 by 297 mm. For paper handling, it has a 125 sheet input tray with a dedicated photo tray that supports up to 15 sheets of photo paper with sizes ranging from 4x6 to 5x5 and 5x7 photo papers. For the main tray, it also supports letter A4 as well as panoramic size photo papers. It supports borderless photo printing as well. For the output tray, it comes with a capacity of 60 sheets. Let's take a look at the print cartridges. It has got two print cartridges, one black and one tricolor print cartridge. For this printer, it supports number 64 print cartridge. And do note that the cartridge numbers varies in different regions and countries. Let's take a look at the print speed. So we have just shown you the automatic duplex printing of a 4-page document from page 1 to page 4. So check out the HP Envy Photo 7275 printer series.